Hey guys, and welcome back to Programming Done Right. Okay, so today we're going to be making a text-based adventure game, which is pretty easy to make. So the first thing we have to just do is create a new file. So let's quickly create a new file. Once we've done that, all we want to write is choice. We just want to write choice1 equals input or input, and then we want to ask them whatever question, I'm going to do the same storyline I did in my Java video, so we're just going to ask them what, so we have to figure out a storyline, right? So I'm just going to say, what agency would you like to be part of, comma, CIA, 1 or FBI, and 2. So they'll enter 1 if they want to be in CIA and 2 if they want to be at FBI, because we're taking user input. So then if choice1 equals 1, then we're just going to say, then we're just probably just going to have another input. Choice2 equals input do great, you passed training camp. Let's just say, do you want to become an agent or a warrior? I don't even know if this is a thing. I'm just like making this stuff on the spot. This is definitely spelled wrong, warrior. Okay, yeah. So and then just, and of course this it does not have to be like that. So agent 1 or a warrior 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then all we have to do is choice2 equals 1, if choice2 equals 1. So another user input, and then we can type whatever we want. Okay, and we're just gonna keep doing this. As many if statements as you want, as many choices as you want, as many things as you want. And that's literally all you have to do. This is a very short video because I don't want to take up too much of your time, and because I have to end this video quickly. So I recommend you guys make it as intricate as you want. Put it in the comment section the coolest text-based adventure game in Python made. I will give a shout out to next video. And if there aren't any, then I can't really make a video like that. But if there are, then I'll share my screen and I'll show you guys all the cool adventures. So please make a really cool adventure game. Make it whatever storyline you want. That's it for this week, today. That's it. I'm signing out. Programming Done Right.